What's up, everybody? The weekend's almost here, and you know what time it is. We're back with another video. So, if you like music and vacuuming,
or music while you're vacuuming,
be sure to check this video out right after the intro. Hello everyone, I want to take a quick moment to do a quick review on an item, and if you've been watching our videos in the past, you might have noticed that we provide a lot of music. We play a lot of different music in our videos. Me personally, I love music, I grew up on it, so I always like to infuse some good music into our videos. So anytime a new device comes out or a new type of program that has to deal with music, I'm all over it. So today, what I wanted to do was show you a new speaker that I use outside when we're camping, and you can also use this speaker inside at home. So, what I want to show you today is the Monster Glow 2 speaker. This is a phenomenal speaker. I purchased this from Sam's Club. I saw this review on another YouTube channel and I had to have it. So I'm going to go over the features for you right now. So some of the features, we have the power button right here. You have your down volume, your up volume. It is a Bluetooth speaker, or you can connect a 3.5 millimeter jack that comes with the system. You have Ready Play, where you can connect another speaker to this. You have your color, and you have your light. The light is for the color of your lights on the speaker. So let's start it up. We'll turn the volume on. Well, the power.
Bluetooth.
As you heard, it says Bluetooth.
Bluetooth connected.
And it is now connected. You can see the different colors that change on the speaker itself. And no, it's not a lantern, it's not a bug zapper. People have said that. It looks like a zapper, it looks like a lantern. It is a speaker, and it is a great speaker. So what I'm gonna do right now, I get my cell phone out. I'll pull up some music and we'll see how it sounds. Give it a little bit of volume.
While you walking away, baby, lost your tongue somewhere, you know what to say. Stop and run around, oh, you act like a kid.
Now, as I said, you can hook up another speaker to this, and I just so happen to have another one. So, I will turn the power on this one. Turn the music back on.
I am not your mama, just a
And now we have stereo.
Then hang around and wait for you to grow up.
These sound really, really nice. Now also, as you see, we have these on the top where you can take these, you can hang them. Normally we hang these from inside of our tent, and you can see the lights come on and glow, and the sound is really, really nice. Now, these speakers also come with the 3.5 millimeter jack that you can hook up. Also comes with this power cord, and it is suggested that you charge these up for about 6 hours before you play them. And you just open up the back here. You have your input here for your AC input, and you have your auxiliary in jack here. So you can play music from any device with an auxiliary jack, or you can play music via Bluetooth and You can also, if you're familiar with it, play your music via near field communication. Just take your cell phone, tap it to the speaker, and it will play via that as well. Now, this being a Monster branded item, I did purchase a Monster speaker before these. I like that speaker so much that I purchased these. So, I'm going to show you that speaker right now. This is the Rock and Roller 3. I call this the Big Bopper. I usually take this when we're camping, and what I will do, if you want me to, I will do a review on this one as well. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll do a review on this one also. So, if you're a music buff like I am, and you enjoy good sound from good speakers, be sure to check these out. What I'm going to do, like I said, is I'm going to put a link in the description down below for all of these speakers, so you can check it out for yourself. So, Kim, you have something that you want to show the people?
Hi guys. Be back in 1 second. Hi everybody. I'm sorry, wasn't paying attention. I wanted to let you actually do a review on the new Bissell 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. So me and my hubby, we were going to go shopping. We went to Walmart. He says, I see this nice $88 vacuum cleaner that we can use for camping. $88, that's cool. We'll go check it out. So we get to the store and I see something that says $19.86. I was like, is this for real? So I pick up the box, let my granddaughter pick up the box, and it was actually very light. So, it is the Bissell, here's the box, limited edition 3-in-1, which is very powerful and very easy to use. He actually made fun of me because I actually wanted this $19.86 vacuum cleaner. I remember hearing him say, the dirt's gonna be down on the floor waving at you like, ha, can't get me. Well, I had a surprise for him. I actually put this together myself. And believe me, I don't put stuff together. It was real easy to do. I did a little test spot in our living room just to see if it would work, and it did. And here is the finished product. Very lightweight. As you can see, I don't have any muscles. So very lightweight, very easy to use. And I figured this would be really good to use in the camper. You can actually put it in the closet because we only have, very few spots to vacuum, which is actually our bedroom and the by the dining room table. So I don't need a big vacuum cleaner. So this little $19.86 vacuum cleaner will do the trick. I'll keep you posted and let you know how long it lasts. But it is a Bissell, and we have no affiliation or anything with Bissell, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. Same thing with Monster. These are just products that we try and we actually like. So I'm going to let you know how this actually works and how long it lasts. But again, it's $19.86. Can't beat it.
So, we hope you enjoyed this week's video about the Monster speakers.
And my $19.86 vacuum cleaner.
Yes, if you like these products, again, be sure to check them out in the description down below. All right? So, as we normally say, we hope you like and subscribe our videos.
And thank you for the ones that have done so already. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
We are slowly moving closer to our first goal of 1,000 subscribers. So we thank you for that. And once again, we just want to say here's hoping that you have a wonderful weekend. And we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye. A picture and a dinner.